Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn the second chapter grammar exercise, that is modals. Okay. Chapter 2, grammar part, that is modals. Okay. Modal auxiliary. Modal auxiliary. Okay. So modal auxiliaries are also called the helping verb. They indicate the modalities, attitudes or feeling like ability, possibility, permission, obligation, compulsion, etc. So these are the modal auxiliaries. They are otherwise known as the helping verb, and its modalizations and it indicates the attitude and the feelings like ability, possibilities, probabilities, and obligation, compulsion, and so many things we can see by using this auxiliaries. Okay. So before going to this, I hope you know what are the auxiliaries. Auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are 24 in number. They are primary, modal, and semi-modal. Primary auxiliaries are am, is, are, was, were. That is a primary auxiliaries. Primary verb. Here this will divided into be verb. You all know very well in the 10th standard, even in your lower classes you had studied well, have verb and do verb. Be verbs are am, is, are, was, were. Have verbs are have, has, had. Do verbs do, did, do, does, did. Okay, these are the primary auxiliaries. Okay, now in this lesson we are going to discuss about modals and semi-modals. Okay, modals are 9 in number. They are can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must. Okay, next semi-modals. Ought to, used to, need, and dare. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about what are the functions of this each and every modal one by one. Okay. So these are the auxiliary verbs. They are called otherwise known as helping verbs. They are divided into 3: primary, modal, and semi-modal. Primary be verbs, do verbs, and have verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, and do, does, did. These are the primary verb. Okay. Next. Now in your book we are going to discuss about the usage of the modal auxiliaries. Modals are 9 and semi-modals are 4. Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, and must. These are the modals. Okay. Semi-modal ought to, used to, need, and dare. Okay. Let us discuss one by one about this modals. Okay. Can. What is the use of can? Can we will use for ability as well as request, and even we can use this for seeking permission. Ability as well as request. Okay, can. That is request means seeking permission also. Then could. Could is the same meaning like can, but it is in the past form. So we will use in the past ability. Past ability as well as possibilities, we will use this could, possibility. Okay. May and might. May we will use for permission and future possibilities. One is a permission, another we will use for future possibilities. It may rain tomorrow. So it may rain tomorrow. That is a future possibilities. It is not happening now, but it will happen. There will be a possibilities of the thing event or thing should be happen. There we will use this may. Future possibilities. Okay. Next, the fourth one is might. M-I-G-H-T, might. Might we will use for the, definitely we will use only for the future possibilities. May, might is the past form of may. Okay. Next, must. Must we will use for necessity or obligation. Must we will use for necessity. Necessity means thevai, compulsory. Necessity or obligation. So, the can we will use for ability and the request. Could we will use for the past ability as well as the possibilities. Okay. Next, may we will use for the seeking permission as well as future possibilities. Might we will use only for the future possibilities. Must we will use for necessity and obligation. Okay. So, among the 13 we had discussed 5. First you have to know the usage, then only you can able to do the book exercise. Okay. Next, shall, should, shall, wherever we will use shall only for offer or suggestion, offer or suggestion, offer or suggestion we will use shall. And should we will use for advice as well as suggestion. Okay. Next, will we will use only for willingness, certainty, willingness, certainty as well as promise. If you want to give some promise, I will be there definitely at 9 o'clock. That is a promise. Okay. Would is a past form of will. That is for request as well as for inviting some invitation. We will use this. Invitation. We will use in the both request as well as invitation. Okay. So, shall we will use for offer or suggestion, should we will use for advice as well as for suggestion, will we will use for willingness, certainty and promise, would we will use for request and invitation. Okay. And we will discuss the semi model or to, use to, need, dare. Okay. So, first one is ought to. Used to, need and dare. Okay. Ought to we will use what right and wrong. What's right and wrong, at that area we will use what's right or right and correct. What is right and correct we will use ought to. Okay. Used to we will use only for the past habit. Could we will use for the past ability. Here we will use past habit. Now they are not having that habit, but they have the habit in the past. For that area we will use this used to. Necessity. When I was young, I used to play football for 3 hours. So I used to play when I was young. It means now he is not young, he is old. So it shows the past habit. Next, need. Need is definitely the need is the meaning necessity. Okay, one more thing we will use need in one more area. Where it is need. Must at the area we will use this need. Okay. Next, dare. Dare we will use courage and boldness. Courage as well as in the area of boldness we will use this semi-modal dare. Ought to we will use what's right and correct, and used to we will use for the past habit, and need we will use in the necessity, and dare we will use for courage and the boldness. Okay, I hope you had understand, you know very well about what are the usage of the modals. Each and every modal: can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, ought to, used to, need, dare. Okay. Next we will do the book exercise of page number 43. Okay, my dear, let me read and we will write the answer. We are not completely sure, but Kishore dash come tomorrow. So, we are not completely sure, but Kishore dash come tomorrow. Kishore need not or may or ought to. So, this is a word sentence which have a possibilities in a future. So, we will use may. Okay. The first answer is may. Kishore may come. Okay. When Kaushik was a child, he dashed in the street. When Kaushik was a child means now he is not a child. He was grown up. He dashed in play in the street. So, when he was a child, he is a past habit. So, we have to use used to. You have to read the sentence and understand the meaning, and we have to write the modals. Dash, I have some more juice please. That is we are requesting. That is could. Could you? Okay. Dinesh dash be the richest person in the village. He is just bought 2 luxury cars. He have a 2 luxury car. So how he may be? He may not or ought or must. He must. Dinesh must be the richest. Richest irukkranaala enna pannirukkan? 2 luxury car vaangirukkan. Okay. I hope I had left one. Sorry. That is a 4th. This is a Dinesh is a 5th one. Must. And the 4th one. I dash believe my eyes is Santosh one who is standing over here. That is means I can't believe. I must not, I can't, or I would not believe my eyes. He can't able to believe. I would not believe my eyes. I wouldn't believe my eyes that Santosh is standing. Imran dash had studied more for final exam than playing. Imran should have. Compulsion is there. So, Imran should have studied more. Okay, that is a suggestion we are giving. My house dash decorating as I am tired of the old furniture. My house need decorating. My house need. Okay, teve, necessity is there. So, my house need. Next, I dash rather request you to check my exercise before giving it to the teacher. So, should or to. That is a request we are asking, request. So, there we will use would. In order to check pannu, that is a request. Okay, the 9th one, dash I use your phone, that is we are seeking permission. There we will use may. In the school, students dash wear uniform, it is compulsory. So, here what we are doing, in school students dash wear uniform. So, students they must wear the uniform. Necessity and obligation. Nirmala's daughter dash write perfectly when she was 7. So, Nirmala's daughter would write perfectly when she was 7. This is the ability in the past ability. So, when she was 7 means now she had grown up. Okay. Next. Dash, I dash let you know when I have more information about the matter. I dash let you know when I have more information about the matter. I shall let you know. I shall let you know. Okay. This is how we have to read the sentence and we have to understand the meaning. Then we have to supply the suitable modal. Okay. The B part, practice your modal verb. Look at this sign and write down the rule, regulation or advice they convey using the modal verbs. So we have to write can, could, may, might, all these things. Okay. That is, they had given the box that you have to do is as a homework. Okay. Next, read the following passage adapted from the Three Men in the Boat and fill in the blanks with appropriate modals and read the paragraph aloud. So they had given the Three Men in a Boat story, the paragraph they had given. We have to read it loud and we have to supply the suitable modal verb. Okay. I thought I will go to the British Museum today to read the treatment of some slight alignment of which I had touched. I dash read all. I wanted to read and then felt I dash begin to study. This is I started to generally turn the leaves ideally. I came to typhoid fever, read the symptom and discovered I dash be having it for a month without knowing it. Cholera. I have several complications. Diphtheria. I have been born with. I was relieved to find the bright disease. I had only a modified form as so far as that concerned I dash live for years. The only disease I dash conclude I have not got was homemade knee. I sat and pondered. I tried to feel my heart. I dash my heart. I walked into the reading room as happy, healthy man, but crawled out as a descript trick. Let us read. I had read it, and one more time we will see the meaning. I thought I will go to the British Museum today to read the treatment of some slight ailment of which I had touched. I dash read all I wanted to read. Then I felt I dash read all that I wanted to read. The first one is I would read whatever I want to read. Okay, next one, I shall. Okay, I shall begin to study the disease. I started to generally turn the leaves ideal. I came to typhoid fever, read the symptoms and discovered I will be having. So third one is I will be having. Okay. The fourth one, I will be having, it's for the month without knowing it. Cholera. I have several complications. Diphtheria. I dash have been born with. I would have been born. I would. Okay. The next one. I was relieved to find that bright disease. I had only two modified from as so far as that was a concern and I dash for years. I shall live for years. I shall live for years. Next, the sixth one. The only disease I conclude I had not got for the homemade knee. I would conclude. I would conclude. Okay. Next, the seventh one. I had not got, I sat and pondered. I tried to feel my heart. I dashed my heart. I could not feel. I could. Here, first, sixth one is I would. Okay. Next, that's all. I walked into the reading room as happy, healthy man, but crawled out as a retripped trick. Okay, so this is how we have to write. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. I hope you had understand the modals. The modals are otherwise known as helping verbs. They are 24 in number. They are divided into, they are otherwise known as auxiliary verbs. They are divided into primary, modal and semi-modal. Primary, there are 11, that is am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had. That is a primary. It is not given in your book. And the modal verbs they had mentioned here. The modal verbs are remaining 11 is a primary and remaining 23 is a modal. Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must and ought to, used to, need, dare. Wherever we will use can we will use for the ability, can we will use for the ability and the request, could we will use for the past ability and the possibilities, and may we will use for the permission and the future possibilities, and might we will use for the future possibilities, and must we will use for the necessary and the obligation, and shall we will use for the offer and suggestion, as well as should we will use for the advice as well as the suggestion, will we will use for in the area of willingness, certainty and the promise, request and invitation we will use the need we will use only for the necessity, and dare we will use, dare to we will use in the area of courage and the boldness, used to we will use in the place of past habit. Okay, ought to, that's right and the correct, we will use in that area. So these are the usage of the modals, and you know each and every modals where we have to use. By understanding the meaning of the word, we have to supply the modals. Thank you my dear students, and we will learn the preposition in the next class.